Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Tidal Potomac from Key Bridge to Indian Head, Maryland, until 5:15 p.m. At 4:19 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located 14 nautical miles west of Key Bridge, moving east at 30 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Location 9. The 4 p.m. observation, Reagan National Airport, Woodrow Wilson Bridge, Key Bridge, Fort Hunt, National Harbor, and Alexandria. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Now for the National Weather Service marine forecast.